Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to translate phone calls in real time? You can use Live Translate. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots at the top right. Then tap Setting. Under the Call Assist section, tap Live Translate. Turn the feature on. If it's already enabled, you can leave it on and customize the setting. When Live Translate is active, your phone can translate what you and the other person say during a call. To use it, you need to tap the Call Assist button on the in-call screen, then select Live Translate to start translation immediately. In this menu, there are two sections. Me section. In this section, you can customize how your speech is translated. Language, to select your language. Voice, to choose a voice and adjust the speech rate. Mute my voice so the other person will hear only the translated version of what you say. Next, the other person section. In this section, you can set the language spoken by the person you are calling. Language, to select the other person language. Voice, to choose a translated voice and speech rate. Mute other person voice so you will hear only the translated version. Here, there are additional options. Language and voice preset for each person. It lets you save preferred language and voice setting for specific contact or phone numbers. And Live Translate in other apps. It allows translation in supported apps such as WhatsApp, Google Meet, Telegram, Instagram, or else depending on apps on your phone. This feature is especially useful when speaking with international clients, traveling abroad, or communicating with friends and family who speak another language. And that's how you translate calls in real time using Live Translate on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.